Welcome, Dastan. We are glad you could join us.
Thank you. It is an honor to be here.
Here is your tea, grandmother.
Rolling the dough with the meat like this is the best way to eat it.
It melts in your mouth.
Truly delicious.
The yurt was filled with the smoke of the hearth, and outside the wolves cried.
We give thanks for the blessings received this day. May we continue in health and peace. Amen.
All right, got the harness ready.
Good. Let's get the horses hitched before it gets too hot.
Get in there, move along now. Go on.
Look at them go, child. They know exactly where the best morning grass is found. It's a good day for them.
Good morning. Are you heading to the well?
Yes, just finishing my chores. How are you today?
And then he fell right in the mud.
You are joking. That is the funniest thing I have heard all week.
It serves him right.
Wait for me, I'm coming!
Look how fast he is running.
We must share what little we have.
When I am done, take this picture to our neighbors across the plain. They are very thirsty. See how we leave space here? The air needs to flow through so the fire can breathe and burn evenly. Careful now, the tea is hot. Where should I put the bowls? Right here? Welcome, please sit down.
Thank you. Peace be upon this house.
We are glad you could join us.
Oh dear, clumsy boy.
Never mind, accidents happen. I'll clean it up.
Look how quickly they are forming today.
Yes, the curds are perfect. We'll be done in no time.
My hands remember this rhythm even when I forget.
That's the angle we need. Hold steady. Secured. Starting to tighten the main strap now.
Good grass out there this year.
It is. We should move them out next week.
Go long! Hey, look, it's her! Over here, pass the ball.
We use the shuttle to create the pattern here. Gently, yes, just like that. You see how the colors come together.
Here you go.
All right, I will collect these items for you.
Thank heavens you're safe. can't thank you enough for looking after him.
Welcome. It is good to see you. Please come this way and rest a while.
Thank you. We appreciate your hospitality.
You are getting very good at this.
It's fun when we do it together.
It is. Almost ready for the oven now.
Good morning. Looks like we have a lot of hay to move today.
Welcome, Dastan. We are glad you could join us.
Thank you. It is an honor to be here.
Here is your tea, grandmother.
This looks absolutely delicious. Thank you.
You are most welcome. Please enjoy.
Peace be upon you all.
And to you. Thank you for the tea.
It is good that we can gather like this.
I must be going now. Thank you for the tea.
Safe travels. Welcome. Please sit with us.
We are glad you could join us.
Is this spot secure for the next layer?
Yes, that looks much better.
This one is heavy. Help me lift it.
Stop the cart here.
Good.
Now stack the blankets there and put the pots right beside the pit. That is good.
Where should this table go?
Right here, near the pots. Bring the firewood over here.
Watch closely. You must swirl it gently, like this.
Swirl gently. I understand now.
Good. Then you place the next one here.
The fire is ready, and the kazans are perfectly placed.
Everything is set for the feast. The whole village looks forward to this.
Sprinkle it right there, gently.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. It looks beautiful.
Welcome. Please sit and make yourselves comfortable.
Thank you. We are looking forward to the meal.
Rolling the dough with the meat like this is the best way to eat it.
It melts in your mouth.
Truly delicious.
This sorpa smells wonderful. Thank you.
Mother, he says it's delicious.
Very good, my dear.
My apologies, but I simply must have some of that tastan. Sit still, you tease. The sorpa is coming.
Ah, thank you. This looks wonderful.
We give thanks for the blessings received this day. May we continue in health and peace. Amen.
Bring them over here gently now.
They are heavy.
You did well, child. Thank you.
We are making good time tonight.
Yes, the water is still hot enough for these pots. You're here.
here. Come, join us. Hello, everyone. Let me take that. The little ones are excited tonight.
Yes, they love this weather.
Come on, let's play. Here are the asik bones.
Okay, I'm joining in now. Give them to me.
All right, children, time to wash up now.
Just one more turn, Mother.
Let them play a little longer.
Hey guys, sorry I'm a little late. You made it just in time. Come on, sit here.
Look at his face. He's completely lost in the music.
I know. Remember last time he did that?
My voice rings out through the valley tonight, unmatched in skill under this pale moonlight.
Keep spinning! Yes, you are doing great!
17,
18, 19,
20. Easy now, easy. It's all right. We're just trying to help you feel better.
How old is he now? He seems a bit small.
He just passed 3 months. The vet says he's healthy, just taking his time to grow.
We should be quiet.
Someone just went inside.
And the dog heard us. Keep close to the fences.
Everything is all right now, my love. Just rest here with me. We are safe tonight.
He is almost asleep. Let us begin quietly.
Long ago, before the rivers changed their course, the gray wolf roamed these lands freely.
Good evening. Please don't mind me.
Welcome. We are glad you are here. Now, where were we? Ah, yes. The journey continued through the dark forest.
The yurt was filled with the smoke of the hearth, and outside the wolves cried.
And that is how they finally understood the true meaning of home.
I love you very much, big sister. Will you stay right here? She finally fell asleep.
It's been a long day for them.